Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're opening this Playbig Bloxx Peppa Pig construction set. This is the playhouse. It's got 75 pieces. Wow, it includes Peppa and George. Look, there's a slide and a swing and a seesaw. Ooh, this is going to be so much fun. There's Peppa and there's George. Let's build a playhouse. Let's build a playhouse. Let's build a playhouse. Ah! Look at all these pieces. Seesaw. Seesaw, seesaw, up and down. Seesaw, I see, you saw, we saw, seesaw. This is fun! I can't wait to play with everything else. It's time to build! Wow, there's a table. And look, George is playing on the swing. What's Peppa doing? Oh, she's playing in her cabinets. There are 4 cabinets. So fun. Ooh, where's Peppa going now? There's Peppa. She can open the window and let all the warm air inside. She has this beautiful garden. It's so fun. There's also a little attic play area. I love the trees next to her playhouse. Ooh, what's she gonna do now? Whee! She's sliding on the slide. Come on, George, let's play. You can go first, George. Yay! Here goes Peppa. Yay! Yay! Again! Wow, this playhouse is really cool. La 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 la. Wow, look at the pretty flowers. Oh, they smell nice. I'm so glad to be home. I'm gonna go inside and find my mom. Hi, Mom! Oh, I better be quiet. My mom is sleeping. Maybe I should go up and sleep too. much fun playing with Legos with my friends. I'm ready to go to sleep. Ah, that was a great nap. I'm ready to go play. I'm gonna go outside. Something feels different. Something looks different. Everything looks like Legos. They still smell good, but they don't look the same. And I don't think I look the same either. I'm gonna go find my mom. Mom! What's wrong, my dear? Everything is Legos. Dear, that's just not the case. Not everything is Legos. You know better. No, Mom, you don't understand. I went to take a nap, and when I woke up, I was all Lego. And you're all Lego. And everything around is Lego. Oh, dear. I think you might be sick. Do you have a fever? You feel okay? Does your throat hurt? No, Mom, you don't understand. Everything is Legos. Legos. Can't you see that I look different? No, dear, you look exactly the same as you always have. I'm gonna go make lunch now. I think you maybe should lay down to rest. I know I don't look the same. And I know the flowers outside did not look the same. And I know my mom doesn't look the same. I feel very strange. I'm gonna go upstairs. These stairs do not look the same. My stairs were yellow. My bed is not the same. I have one bed on top of the other. This one is separate, but it is very pretty. Maybe I am sick. Oh dear. Everything looks different. I'm gonna lay down for a few minutes. Maybe that will help me feel better. No, I'm still Lego. How am I gonna go to school this way? I'm gonna go back outside. Maybe fresh air will help me feel better. What am I gonna do? I need to figure this out. I don't want to stay Lego forever. Maybe if I just think about what happened today, I could figure it all out. I was at my friend's house playing Lego, and when I came home, saw my mom sleeping, went upstairs, laid down, and when I woke up, I was Lego. Maybe if I retrace my steps, I can undo whatever's been done. I better go back to my friend's house. Oh, look at the beautiful flowers. Oh, and they smell so good. I'm gonna go inside and find my mom. Hi, Mom! Oh, my mom is taking a nap. I'm feeling awfully tired too. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and lay down as well. There's my bed. Okay, here we go. That was a really strange dream. I dreamt I was Lego. At least I think it was a dream. I better go outside and see if the flowers are still Lego and if my mom is Lego too. There's my mom. She's normal. She's not Lego anymore. Yay! What about the flowers? The flowers are back to normal too. Wow. Now that I know it was just a dream, I wish it would have gone longer. It could have been lots of fun to be Lego. Hi, Peppa. Oh, hi, Peppa. Wait a second, you're Lego. Yes, and you're normal. Man, we just had a fun dream, didn't we? Yes, but how are you here? Oh, we must be still dreaming. I don't know. I'm right here, next to you. Thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys. Let's go play together! Yay!